Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a fraction in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document in Google Docs. Now place your cursor where you want to add the fraction. Now click Insert from the top menu and then go to Symbols and select Equation. An equation toolbar will appear below the main toolbar. From the equation toolbar, click the math operation. Here you will see the fraction option. Select it. Now you will see two boxes. One for the numerator, which is the top box. Now write your numerator. Then click the bottom box and type the number. Your fraction will now appear properly formatted. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.